We're gonna be just a little bit.
What's a little bit?
It's around 3 hours, maybe a little bit less.
Oh, okay. When
Glamour
you said
queen.
that, I thought you were going to say like 20 minutes.
Oh, please. Oh, my God. I'm good, but not that good.
All right.
Oh my God.
You're on camera.
Oh my God.
This is my beautiful friend, Ms Rainey, and I'm gonna make you beautiful today with this hair unit that I've made for you. I went over to your house yesterday and we colored your hair because she was totally gray, and I wanted to do something different to uplift her. So we did a beautiful job on her color. And let's get started.
So it feels like it's mine.
That's right, it does. That's the way it's supposed to feel like. It's yours.
It feels just like it's my hair, yes. Oh my God.
Every time I close my eyes, boy, you're always there. Your voice keeps playing in my ears. Lela, lela, see the world with all the blurry. I can see it clear in your eyes, baby girl. Open your heart, let me in. I'll make your dreams come true. Honesty, I fell in love with you.
Aw, isn't she beautiful, y'all? That hasn't even finished yet.
I'm so amazed. I can't believe You know, I used to wear my hair short.
Did you?
Yes, I
okay,
did.
now.
And the only reason why I stopped wearing it short because I felt like when I gained all this weight, that my face had gotten too fat and I was trying to hide it a bit longer.
Oh, and sometimes that'll draw more attention to it.
Yes,
Yeah.
but my niece tried to tell me that. can't get over this. I mean, this is just so amazing.
Everybody, don't look at me, I'm a mess, y'all. But look at Ms. Rainey. Doesn't she look absolutely spectacular? Oh my goodness. And I didn't have to use a lot of makeup. She's got her own natural beauty. Oh my. I love you, my lady.
I love you.
Oh my
I love
goodness.
you.
And by the way, this is video 299. One more video before it's 300 videos. Stay tuned. Come back again. Take care, everybody. Ms. Rainey, you want to say bye to everybody?
Bye. Love you.
I love you.
God bless you.
Aw, take care, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.